Hi, welcome to True Nature Healing with Cassie Celeste Rowe. I am at Water Rock Knob in the North Carolina mountains today. Look at that. For some North Carolina healing. And I had a beautiful thing come through to me during my hike yesterday. And it was what the guides are calling the 4 pillars of being. And I just wanted to share it with you, so this will be a quick video. Excuse me. I'm still winded from hiking straight uphill for a mile to get here. It goes like this. Close your eyes with me. Take a deep breath. We are peace, and we bring peace. We are love, and we bring love. We are light, and we bring light. We are healed, and we bring healing. And that's it. As it was explained to me, those 4 pillars, they have something to do with the 4 cardinal directions. And so as we speak this meditation or mantra, the healing that it creates reverberates and goes out in all 4 directions: north, south, east, and west. So it made me think of the last channeling with the keepers, where they talked about the ripple effects and planting seeds of change, or whatever I titled it. Anyway, let's close out with a quick touching base from the keepers. Excuse me for clearing my throat. We are the keepers of light. We are grateful for your presence with us today. We guided this one to come up and hike. She thought she was just coming to watch the sunrise from the parking lot below. And we said, oh, no. Climb up. Get that bird's eye view of the valley and the mountains below. And we urged her to make this video. This was not in her plans either. She's learning not to plan, but just to be. And that's what these pillars of being are for. As you let go of your ego minds, not that it will disappear completely. Do not fear. You're not going to disappear from the earth plane as you know it. And you're not denying anything or losing anything in the process. As you let go of your ego minds, you are open to being guided in your every moment of the day. When this one says she was here for healing in North Carolina, the meaning of those words is complex. Complex, we will say. And we always say everything is simple. Well, it is all loving. It is simple in that way. But there are many ways that healing has occurred for herself, for others, for you all, for the earth, for the whole universe. Every effort that you all make to wake up, to let go of your egos, and to learn to just be, it affects the all. It is a gift to everyone you know and love, to everyone you don't know. It is a gift to the eternal life, the immortal spirit that you are. It is a gift to the one. As you learn to be guided, and to be, this is where those miracles happen. Nothing is coincidence, dear ones. Nothing is accidental. As you seek within yourself, you will find. Carry these words in your heart and repeat these 4 pillars of being if you feel so called to. As you breathe deeply, And take your time and patience with these words. You will feel a shift. And that shift that you feel inside, that expansive feeling, will grow. It will reverberate out from you. And it will attract to you the love that you're sending out. We are peace and we bring peace. We are love and we bring love. We are light and we bring light. We are healed and we bring healing. We are with you always. We will speak again. Thank you all. My arm's getting tired. I'm going to put this down and give you one last glance around here so you can see. We'll start right to left. I'll see you next time. Much love.